Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome back. This is Daily Trading Analysis with the market recap for today, 14th of November. So it looks like Nasdaq is not strong enough to hold these levels. So we were talking in the market update at noon that we were trying to push 11,900 or even 12,000, but looks like today is not the day. We started in a very choppy sideways range day below 11,800, and then once the Federal Bernard start talking, we more or less started going more or less trying to push in a very choppy, not even holding completely the 45 EMA, and then up here in the this blue dot line is last week high. We are shopping around and finally rejecting at this level and going basically at open level right now is minus 1%. We've been stepping down since power hour, and looks like we are going to close the day quite weak. Well, at least it's a pullback with no big volume. And I was pointing out that perhaps we needed some kind of consolidation, at least in my view, of these 11,600. So as long as we hold this pivot, I think we can have a healthy push to the upside throughout the week. Dollar is pushing quite strong, to be honest. It's holding this 106, trying to reclaim 107, but still in the range of these two daily levels at between 106 and 107. The 2-year is also trying to push a little bit, stepping up, trying to build a gap, and finishing the day 4.4%, the 2-year yields, and the 10-year also 3.9%, both in the green today. So yields are pushing, dollar is consolidating and trying to build some market structure here, or maybe a push later in the week. And I think overall today was a very weak day. All the stocks, Apple minus 1%, Microsoft minus 2%. Let's change to the 15-minute. So 5 minutes. So we can see the choppiness in all the stocks in the Nasdaq. Apple trying to break hold. It did. It broke hold high of day, but then tried to look higher, 150, but it got rejected, and basically we are again down. Microsoft minus 2% with this gap down in pre-market, not able to even reclaim the 200 moving average in the 1 minute. Tesla minus 2.5%, also quite weak. Amazon super weak. Google not as weak because it didn't lose quite that much pre-market, but overall, all but Meta is finishing red. Meta has a lot of ways to go until it fills this huge gap on the daily. So quite weak overall for the tech sector. This is XLK, the technology fund, and we are not bad. We were pushing last week and we are now trying to hold these levels. Low volume today, pullback day, in my opinion. This is not bad. Let's see the S&Ps. S&Ps putting a topping tail in here, and it doesn't look that bad, to be honest. Even though we are red on the stocks, I think this is a healthy pullback, waiting for economic data today and the rest of the week. And I think traders and investors will continue pushing higher. The overall sentiment, I think, is still bullish. and we just need time to build a healthy movement to the upside. So let's talk finally about energy. XLE is actually rejecting. We were talking last week about XLE, the energy sector. We were trying to break this pivot at 93. If we take a look at the weekly, this is a pivot that goes back to 2014. So more than 10 years ago, we didn't see these levels. And we right now are pushing these levels. Today, we rejected it. And at least this is good news. Crude oil minus 4% again. This is a bearish engulfing candle on the daily. Quite bearish. Still trying to break this 92 level I was mentioning in my YouTube short last week. This is a breakout that we don't need to see this breakout. If we see this breakout, we might see 100 at the daily level, and we could see higher inflation in the upcoming months. So be careful with the energy. Crude oil, it's right now minus 4%, so it's pulling back, rejecting higher pricing. And natural gas is also minus 3%, but it's slowly building some support at 6 right now. So be careful, watch out for energy, and let's hope for this week to have good economic data. Let's take a look what kind of economic data we might be seeing. We might be seeing economic calendar the rest of the week. Tomorrow is PPI. We are expecting to see flat or slightly less. That would help the market to move upsides. And Wednesday, one of the big ones, retail sales. It doesn't look promising because previous one was 0.0, but we're expecting higher reading. So be careful with retail sales because consumer spending showing strength again might cause markets to sell off a bit. Wednesday and Thursday, Austin starts. We are expecting lower readings. That would be good. And finally, on Friday, existing home sales. We are also expecting lower readings. That will help with the overall sentiment of demand destruction in the home sector. And that's all for today. I think today was expected. I think part of the reasons why we were pulling back is because people was taking profits in the critical levels. I think this is quite good to see. And hopefully tomorrow with PPI, we can see continuation to the upside. So as always, thank you for your time. If you found this video useful, please click the like button, smash that button, and subscribe to the channel to receive notifications when I upload new videos. Remember, I upload new videos every single day for market forecast, market updates, and market recap like this one. I appreciate your time. I hope you had an amazing trading day. See you tomorrow with the market forecast. Remember, discipline, risk management are key for success. Stay safe, everyone.